I'm going to be in this video turning this 4+ set into cool and random objects, and I'm going to be posting till a certain point in the summer or IRL video instead of stop motions. So hope you enjoy this little time that I have, and can't wait to start working on the stop motions again. Let's get right into it. The first thing that we can make is this tiny little creature that is very cute. This is Fred, and this is Bob. I was just putting stuff together, and that's what I got. Next thing! And also, I'm not joking, they're actually pizza. That made a mess. Oh well. My desk. Okay. We got this tiny little orb into nothingness. Probably just a little eye. But how about we give it some more character stuff. I'm not good at talking because I have difficulties, but oh well. And now I can fly like meow. Yeah. Ba 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 ba. Give me a second. Sorry for the noises in the background. I'm currently in my bedroom. We have a kind little friend that probably just waddle away. And with the queer pieces, normally you can make certain things, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna make something even cooler than what they want me to. Oh, also, if you grab the right pieces, we can kind of make a little lightsaber. But make something with the pink and the queer pieces. Star, half dome, piece, and also with the white, a snot brick, then another half dome, but in pink. A queer with two little tan legs. Things. Ba-ba-ba. Give it little horns. Instead we use a jumper. This. Do I have any? So we put back the horns, but in front instead of in the middle, sadly. Then we put a candle piece and a little flame on top. We give it a little bit of tiny arms. We smooth out a bit. By adding 2 cheese slopes. Then we add the mouth. Right at the top. While using another pink brick. We add the mouth right along the back by using some tricky techniques. When I mean only, I mean mainly. Bop. That. Oops. Then we got another little creature with stubby legs, weird arms, weird looking forehead, and a mouth on the back of his head. Ah! Now let's try to use the rest of the stuff to build something. Just give me a second to cut most of the pieces back. Send them under the stage. Now let's try to use the rest of the pieces. He mad at somebody bad. Then we add this. A dome. Oops. Teeth. A heart mouth. or hard nose, whatever you want it to be. Oops. We add another mouth, but on the back and top of its head. Then we put 2 little domes. It's hard to build like this, no? Currently, it's terrible at balancing, if you can clearly see. So, give me a bit, and I will finish this up. Yoink. A weird looking belly. Then little then we add 2 leaves underneath. Now, Arnar. If you understand that reference, you will. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, and another set of eyes. And then we add this back on, and we got a little jungle creature. Blah. These are only 6 different things that you can make with this 4+ set. And there's so much more that you can make. And also, if you want to rebuild the stuff that you didn't do with the Lego set, keep the instructions. But I won't. So now, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so then you're notified when I upload. Bye!